Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is new Samsung 9 kg washing machine with latest version we have recently purchased. Actually, we don't know how the washing machine really cleans our clothes. I don't know. I have Ariel. I have seen so many advertisements regarding removes hundred of stains in one wash. We will check about that with these clothes, which is heavy scent work clothes. You can see the dust. These are the stains, which are oil stains. I don't know the machine will work or not after putting these into the machine, but I have washed it one time, and let's check whether it removes these 100 stains. I think more than 100 stains are there. We will check this. Okay. So first I have to add some Ariel. I have added now only. Then I will may put some comfort. Okay, I will. Actually, we don't need comfort, but we can add. Hmm. మరి వేసే మరి ఖాళీగా ఉంది ప్లేస్ వేసే I have added these. This is the main. We will check after the video end. So I will close this lid. Yes, I have to check. Okay guys, let's turn on the washing machine. Then I have to select some options. I will turn on intensive. చూద్దాం అది డస్ట్ ఎంత క్లియర్ అవుద్దు. ఎప్పుడు అంత డస్ట్ వేయలే కదా, చెక్ చేద్దాం ఎంత పని చేస్తుందో. నో ఆప్షన్స్ ఓకే. ఆన్ చేసి వేడి నీళ్ళు 40 డిగ్రీలు పెడతాను. చాలు 3 బకెట్లు. ఇది హోల్డ్ చేస్తే ఇది హోల్డ్ చేయనుగా స్టార్ట్ అయిపోద్ది. ఎక్కడ నొక్కు. చేస్తా. నేను పెడతా అయిపోద్ది 18 నిమిషాలు. ఓకే, ఎంత డస్ట్ వెళ్ళింది ఏం పోలేదు, అలానే ఉంది. ఓకే, చూసుకోండి గైస్. ముందు వీ హ్యావ్ టు రిమూవ్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాస్టిక్స్ if it's already there. Okay, let's see these white soft. Okay, it somewhat removed some stains. You can look. Okay, this pant looks somewhat good according to me. This is so much dirtier that this is not that much. It not removed that much stains. Okay, average. This looks also average. You can check this. There is not that much any dust is here. Okay, but we have to clean this because everything will be in here on. See, this is the what is this?